getting ready for our family trip. We've got all the babies loaded in. We've got all our stuff loaded in. And I want to see how my gas mileage in my car does in this hot weather, loaded down with all this extra weight. So we're going to head to the gas station, so we got a good starting point, and I'm going to teach you how to calculate your gas mileage for your car. Go.
Okay, so here's the problem I face. I want to know, for every 1 gallon of gasoline, how far does my car go? Is it 5 miles? Is it 10 miles? 15 miles? 100 miles? So we need a starting place. If I just start right now with the gas that I have, I don't know exactly how much gas I've got in the car. So we're going to go to the gas station and we're going to fill up to the top. Then we'll drive, and when we go back to the gas station and fill up again, we'll know exactly how many gallons we used. All right, I just filled up my tank. So I've got a full tank of gas, and now I need to know what the mileage of my car is when I start. So you can see it's 127,891.
So I know that my starting mileage, the mileage that my car has on it when we started our trip, is 127,891. That's my starting mileage. So when I stop for gas, I'll find out what my ending mileage is.
Okay, we've driven a couple hundred miles. We're just outside Springdale, Missouri, and you can see that we've stopped where gas costs $3.48. $3.48, that's our unit price. So our unit price is $3.48 per gallon. So 1 gallon is $3.48. So we're going to go fill up and see how many gallons it takes to fill the tank, and then compare that to how many miles we've driven. All right.
Okay, we now are at 128,152 miles.
We're going to finish our calculation. I know I started with 127,891 miles, and I stopped for gas when I had 128,152 miles. If I need a ratio of miles per gallon or miles over gallons, then I need to take my ending mileage and subtract my starting mileage to find out how far I drove. That would look like this. I take my ending mileage and subtract my starting mileage. I need to do a little borrowing. Minus 2 is 8. 261 miles. I drove 261 miles before I stopped for gas. So let's continue and find our unit rate. I'm looking for a unit rate of miles per 1 gallon. So I've got 261 miles divided by 11.3 gallons, because it took me 11.3 gallons to fill my tank again. We can just do the division now. 261 divided by 11.3. 261 divided by 11.3. And that will give me my unit rate in miles. Let's go ahead and use a calculator to make it a little bit easier on us. 261 divided by 11.3. 261 miles divided by 11.3 gallons gives me 23.1, rounding up to the nearest tenth, 23.1 miles per gallon. So the unit rate is 23.1 miles per 1 gallon. 23.1 miles per gallon is the gas mileage of my van.